question. Can question on the board. Shalom Kolava. Thank you very much for the Shiur. Question. As people in the process of conversion must keep Shabbos 99%, in the same way, should we break a melacha during Yom Tov? So it should be one melacha per day or one melacha for the whole Yom Tov? Thank you very much, Rabbi.
Okay, I would say one melacha per day. Because even though we must observe 2 days, but they're not equal in stature. So first day for sure it's biblical, and second is one that established by sages. Understand? So we consider them 2 separate days. As we saw from this book, we're not allowed to prepare from one day to another day. So those are separate days, even though the same name, but we have to break Yom Tov on. So somebody in price of conversion must break Yom Tov on first day and second day separately. So it's something that for sure not be allowed, like this light, right? Light, turn on, turn off.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Shabbat, breaking Shabbos intentionally. I was wondering, does it have to be intentionally and with a purpose, or just like randomly?
No, not randomly. For the purpose of breaking Shabbos. Meaning, not something like I heard like this people say, Rabbi, I'm not learning for sure. I'm doing something wrong for sure. No, this is not going to work. So you can break Shabbos only with the thing that for sure you know it is forbidden, and that's why I'm doing it, because I'm not allowed to keep Shabbos. You understand? So meaning that you know for sure it is like turning lights. That's the best example.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
I thought it was a purpose for the action itself. For example, I don't know.
Purpose for the action itself to break Shabbos, yes. Mm-hmm.
So because when I want to break Shabbos, I don't know, turn on fire, but I could just go make myself coffee or something like that because I want to drink coffee. Just
no,
as an example.
I would say like to minimize. So if you can do only like little thing, one action, 1, 2, that's it. That's enough. Don't get carried away.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. So, and I was somebody asked me this question recently. I don't know, like a few months ago, right? And I told them do it because a person got scared. That's how it's hard. The person got scared that they forgot to turn on the light. So I told them, it's not in the book, but just from logic, do it like as soon as you like lit the candles, Shabbos candle, do it right away. You understand? So in this case, you would not going to forget. So if you let it go, I'm going to maybe tomorrow, I'm during the day. No, do it right away. So for sure you did this. Just practical suggestion. Okay. Well,
thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So the time the person does this melacha to break Shabbos will be irrelevant. It will be more related
irrelevant. In from the time person accepts Shabbos until the time he does the Shabbos is over.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.